So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to type with your voice here on Google Docs. So if I just were to go up here to the top left, press Tools, then scroll down to where it says Voice Typing, or you can press Command Shift and S. It'll open up this screen. So if I were to go ahead and press on the Start Voice Typing right here, I'll go ahead and press Allow this time. This is my voice typing on Google Docs. So not perfect, right? It is what it is, but that's you get the point. You can go ahead and close this out if you want. You can delete this, try again, do what you got to do. But that's how you guys can type with your voice here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.